if you're in your common ratio of negative 3, that means you're multiplying by negative 3. So I look, this is not multiplying. Minus 3, not multiplication. This one is multiplication. This one's by 1/3. So negative 1/3. So no. As multiplication by negative 3 would Okay, now we didn't do recursive, we just did explicit. Formula, you have to have a 1. Remember, like a sub n equals a 1, and then common ratio n minus 1. So we can do it in explicit. Given these two. So for this to be a geometric, so if they gave me these, so from negative 4 to negative 8, I'm multiplying by 2. Negative 4 times 2, negative 8. Negative 8 times 2, negative 16. So because I know what the common ratio is, this is 2. Now I just need a base of 1. I can figure it out by going backwards. So if it's times 2 going this way, it'll be divided by 2 going up. So this should have been negative 2, because negative 2 times 2 would give me negative 4. I'm going to divide also by 2. So if I have negative 2 divided by 2, okay, I'm going to get negative 1. That makes sense. Negative 1 times 2, yes, it gives me negative. Then I'm going to divide negative 1 by 2 to get what I have here. So negative 1 half. Negative 1 half times 2, negative 1. So I reverse it by using, so I can reverse it by dividing until I get a of 1. So this would be explicit, since we didn't learn recursive, my explicit formula would be negative 1 half here times 2n to the negative 1. And knowing this, knowing the first term, you can get the solution correct. Alright, so for the following one, that represent the explicit formula. So again, explicit, as you see in your multiple choice, would be your a sub 1 times the ratio n minus 1. Okay? Now I have to see what would fit there. Okay, so which one does not represent? Okay, so here I know that A and B could not be it because they don't have n minus 1 over here. Okay, so maybe those two are going to be out. Be negative 64 or positive 64, and then also the common ratio being a positive or a negative. So I have m2, the second term is 16, and 4, the fourth term is 1. I don't have m of 1, and I don't have m of 3. Okay? So those. Okay, so if this were that one, for example, 64 divided by 4 does give me 16. 16 divided by 4 would give me 4, and then 4 divided by 4 would give me 1. So if I use this one, it seems if 64 is a first term. If I use this one, negative 64 1/4 or times negative 1/4 would give me positive 16. Positive 16 divided by or times negative 1/4 would give me negative 1/4 would give me 1. So in this case, both of these actually okay. Because I'm looking for the not these cannot be the answer because then we have to figure out which one of those. So 64, let's try for, I'm going to write it over here. And let's see, let's substitute in a number here and see if it works. So if we were doing m of 2, right? Times 4 to the negative 2. Okay, so I'm using this formula and substituting right here to see if it would work out. So this has to go to 16, so we'll see. 256, 4 to the negative 2 means I'm going to have 4 squared on the bottom. Okay, so 56 by 16 over here, I need to know if that's going to give me 16. Okay, and I know that 16 times 16, because it's a perfect square, is 56. So yes, it works. This one is working. So that means the answer that won't work would be letter B. Letter A, I'm sorry. A is the answer. This one worked. This one worked. This one worked. With these two that I gave you, try everyone out and see if it works out. If it works out, yes. If it doesn't, then it doesn't work. Alright, for number 4, which of the following represents? Okay, so here it tells me when a to b to the x, where b is greater than 1. We know what this is. So definitely not a. Greater. Okay. Increases is it decreasing? Okay, so here would be from 6 goes to 3. From 3 it goes to 1.5 and so forth. So it is decreasing. Decreasing would be letter C. We have to do all of this without a calculator. Okay, so for number 5, we sketch. So here the y-intercept is 1/3. We know that this is a decay. So this is 1/3 right here. This is where the function would go, and it's to down. So something like this. Okay? Range. Okay, so if it crosses 1/3 and it keeps going down, okay, the answer y equals 0. Okay? Coordinate points, so 0, 1/3. Okay? Alright, number 6. An adult takes 500, that's your A. Each hour decreases, so now I know it's decay, by 27% by the function after X hours. So A is 500, B, I start at 100%. If it's decreasing, I'm going to do minus, and then the 27, 3%. Okay, I have to convert that to a decimal by the decimal point, so 70.73. So I'm going to write the equation, y equals A times B x, so y equals 500 times 0.73 to the x power. Alright, number 7. The number of students at a college can be modeled with this function. Where T is a number of since 2015. According to the model, what does the 25,000 represent? Write it in a complete sentence. So it started in 2015. That means that this is the A, so that's the initial value. So this means the of students at this college was 25 in 2015, the year this started, or the initial value, okay? So here's the equation. T is at time in since 1963. How is the number of is changing? So it means they want the rate of change, but not as in like a linear function, but the rate in percent of when it's increasing or decreasing. So here, see this, I know that it is decreasing. So now I have to find. To find this, I know that I took 100% minus a percent, and then 99.5%. So I know that it decreased. Okay, percent. If I subtract 100 minus 99.5, okay, I will get 0.5% of acres forests is decreasing at a rate of 0.5%. Okay? Alright, and that will be the end of the review.